Buying or selling a house in today's market and in today's terminology, it's a lot of stress, a lot of fast moving parts, a lot of important decisions that need to be made quickly. And for some people, it's too much. I have seen several reports in our private Facebook groups and through industry chatter about consumers getting overwhelmed and stepping out of the process, deciding to wait until another time. But it sucks if they have already wasted a lot of your time and energy before they reach that decision. So here are 3 simple ways to make sure this doesn't happen to you. Hey, this is Saeed Mohsen, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe below to get insights on how to grow your real estate business. So step 1, set realistic expectations from the start. The last thing you want to do with a new client is scare them out of their decision to buy or sell a home by telling them how difficult it's going to be. But that doesn't mean you avoid it altogether. The key is striking a balance to make clear what they're getting themselves into and reassuring them from the start by showing them how you will guide them through the entire process. Now, you might be saying to yourself, why have this conversation when I can just address it if they ever bring it up? 3 reasons. 1, when they first feel that tinge of regret or fear, you don't want them to freak out. If you have addressed it beforehand and warned them that they will feel this way, it's far less likely they pull that ripcord on moving forward. In fact, they will appreciate you more because you have proactively calmed their fears. Number 2, if they do suddenly want to discuss the possibility of slowing down or stopping the process, you can remind them that this was going to happen. If you haven't told them in the beginning, you are just going to look like a desperate salesperson saying anything possible to save the deal. And 3, if it is too much for them to deal with emotionally, financially, or otherwise, you want to know now before you invest your precious time in working with these people. Step 2, demonstrate empathy. Don't forget, you work in this industry every day. You have seen the listings that get 64 different offers. You have dealt with the insecurities of buyers. You are afraid they are overpaying. You know today's market is in a bubble that's about to come crashing down. Your clients, not so much. It's very likely they are not as dialed into the real estate industry happenings, so you need to put yourself in their shoes, or better yet, stories about how you have felt some of those same emotions and how you kept moving forward to get the job done. Step 3, use numbers to your advantage. Property values in most markets have increased considerably in the last 2 years or so. Use those numbers to your advantage to show buyers that waiting longer will likely to increase what they pay or decrease how much house they can afford. If they are renters, show them the money they are wasting that could be going towards a mortgage payment instead. If they are sellers, show them the record high sales and how much they stand to make off of the sale of their property. If the astronomical numbers you can present in today's market don't keep them from moving forward, they maybe aren't that motivated anyway. Bonus tip, adopt the next mindset. There is a chance that you will do everything above and still have someone change their mind and call up their home search or sale. When that happens, be satisfied that you did everything within your control, then move on. The worst mistake you can make in a market with this much opportunity is to dwell on the one that got away. There are many more buyers and sellers out there who need your advice. Go find them and serve them. And as always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my page and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.